Hi, I'm Dipankar, and today we are going to talk about the block out dates feature in the Bird app. This feature is generally used to block out certain dates when your store is not available or your store is closed. So, here on the screen, you see an example where I'm in the block out dates feature. What I can do is I can select any particular date when my store is closed, let's say on 28th of November and 29th of November, my store is closed, and I go ahead and I add those dates, right? And when I do that, I go ahead and click on save. And as soon as I do that, if I go to my store and the customer is trying to check out or do a select a date for store pickup, you can see that both 28th and 29th are not available on the store. Similarly, what you can also do is you can, instead of selecting a particular date, you can go ahead and select a particular date range. So for example, let's say in the last week of December, from 26th to 31st December, on all my dates my store is closed. So I click that, I click on save, and the entire date should not be available for the customer to go ahead and pick. So again, on the calendar, if I reload it quickly, you will see when I'm trying to select a date, right from 26th to 31st, all the dates are not visible for the customer to pick up. So that's pretty much about block out dates. Some other interesting features are you can also, instead of blocking the entire date, you can also block a particular slot. For example, let's say on 30th November, I don't deliver between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., or I don't allow pickup between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I go ahead and add that. I click on save. And when you will go to the store, you will see that on 30th November, when I select time, only the evening slots are visible. But for any other day, you will see all the three slots that are there are visible. The 9 a.m. slot is also visible. Also, the last feature here is the maximum available days. What this does is, let's say I just want my the calendar to be available for the next 15 days and it should not be visible beyond that. So I can put the number as 15 and save. And what this does, if I reload the store quickly, what this does is it only allows for the next 15 days to be selected by the customer, and you see after 10th none of the days are visible. So that's pretty much it about blockout dates. Stay tuned for more videos or chat with us to get your queries answered. Thank you.